Welcome to StudyWise, where we help you focus on what truly matters, educating. Simply sign in and select the content to create your exam. To upload files, drag and drop your document or choose one from your device. Next, customize your exam by selecting the difficulty, language, and the number of questions. You can further enhance your exam by adding study areas and skills. Once you're ready, click Generate Exam and let the magic happen. Your exam is now ready. Adjust the settings and choose your preferred export format. PDF, Word, or even Google Forms. Share it effortlessly with your examinees by copying and sending them the link. After they've submitted their answers, StudyWise will auto-grade their work and provide feedback, all neatly organized in your dashboard. Explore features like score distribution, common mistakes, and detailed reports for each student. Simply click on a student's name to view their performance progress, and if needed, you can easily refine the AI's work.